high school, and we're all freshmen, and today we're going to be busting a myth. Now, the myth that we were given from our class is that objects who experience no net force are at rest. And today we're going to prove that wrong.
Alright, so here as you push the tire down, there's unbalanced forces because it's moving, the forces acting against it are not equal, so it's moving, but as it's slowing down, friction is acting against it to put it once again at balance.
So right here, this is an example of me experiencing no net force because yes, I'm off the ground and there is gravity pushing down on me. There's also normal force coming up from this pole that's supporting me. So right now, I'm proving that part of the myth is true, which is saying that I'm experiencing no net force and I am at rest, but I don't have to be at rest. As long as I'm moving at a constant velocity, everything is good. Alright.
I teach anatomy.
Alright, myth 1. Objects who experience no net force are A, at rest, B, moving at a constant velocity, C, accelerating, or D, exploding.
Why?
The way we can use this law to bust the myth is by substituting variables into Newton's equation for force. The equation is force equals mass times acceleration, and if we substitute the values of space debris into the equation, we will prove that something that is experiencing no net force does not have to be at rest. Using the previous mentioned equation, force equals mass times acceleration, and plugging in values of a random asteroid in space of, let's say, 947,000 kilograms, you multiply that by its acceleration, which is 0 meters per second squared because it's moving at a constant velocity. And when you multiply those two values together, you get a net force of 0 newtons.
At rest. I'm gonna say B.
Okay.
Constant velocity.
Some decide. Objects who experience no net force are A, at rest, B, moving at a constant velocity, C, accelerating, or D, exploding.
B?
Okay, so I'm gonna do this like once we millionaire style and eliminate C, the not accelerating. I'm gonna eliminate D, probably not exploding. The awesome. No net force. They can be moving. Or not. Your face.
I've been a game show host before, so trust
Give me a second. Can you?
I just speed all that once.
Or not moving at all.
So it's at rest.
There's only one correct answer. I would say at rest.
So for our question is objects who experience no net force are either at A, at rest, B, moving at a constant velocity, C, accelerating, or D, exploding.
A at rest.